morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Today is the Santa Barbara Christmas parade. So it's at 7 p.m. at night and yeah, I just thought I could be festive and wear this and get away with it. I'm gonna make us smoothies right now because we ran out of eggs and we haven't gone food shopping. So yeah, that'll be fun. It's not fall anymore, but I have these really cute cups that I got at Marshall's left over. And I'm gonna use those because we're gonna drink these in the car. This is my office, very quickly showing you. But mostly I wanna show you guys the elf on the shelf that hides around. Super cute. We look for it every morning. Yeah. Let's see you put it on. Go ahead, put it on just. Cute! Hi everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Today was really lazy. We actually checked out the Tesla store again and we actually drove the cars, which was nice. We settled on our colors and I can't wait to see it. It was supposed to be a surprise, but we ended up, you know, actually deciding on it. So we got a white interior and we're getting a silver Model 3. And I can't wait to see it. Anyway, we're at Justin's parents' house right now. Look at their lights that they have. Super cute. Justin and his dad went somewhere called Public Market where they have a bunch of different restaurants and they're going to be coming back soon with food. Morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So Sundays are actually our very busy days. We consider them our chore days. This is the day that we do any laundry that we still have and we make sure that everything is completely clean. So we left the house and now we're going to Costco. Did some shopping. You're funny. So shopping was successful. We still need to get a few things, but we did eat at Los Agaves and now we're heading home. So we were going upstairs just now because we're gonna watch the show in bed, but we passed by this rainbow. It's so big. Wow. We just got our wreath from Costco. And I'm gonna put it up. It's really cute. Oh, it looks so nice. So we're doing some Hershey Kisses, and then we did this one last year, the Linder chocolates. They're really good. Our favorite is the gold. Did you fill all of them? Oh, good. Good.
Not all of them. I've done 10 of them yet.
Okay, cool. Cute. I'll let you continue. Where's his eyes? This one's cute.
But I put...
Sarah, can I see yours? That's really nice. And the snowman.
Well, I still said it. Didn't really
No, I know. I think our stuff.
So we just got to my boyfriend's parents' house. They have these cute lights up. But this little guy is waiting for us. This is his grandmother's dog. This is cute.
What date is it today?
I don't even know. It's the 10th. But I think we have a chocolate in the 9th also, so we can eat both. So Justin, you can have the 10th one. You have 2 Hershey Kisses.
That's the 9th. You said I'll have the 10th.
No, you're having the 9th. No, that's the other chocolate that I like.
I know what it is.
I do know what it is. Ah, that's the gold
look what I
one.
got.
That's exactly what I thought it was
Just said
going
I would
to
have
be.
it.
So I'm going to do a little gift haul right now. I went to Anthropologie because they were having a 30% off on sale items. So this one says avocado toast and it has these cute little frillies. I have to fix that actually, but it's a collagen mask. I got this. It's mood patch. Keep Smiling. Can't believe this was still in the sale section. Set of 2 crystal eye massagers, and it's rose quartz. You can put notes in there. The front of it is actually a letter in gold on the thing, but I don't want the person to see it in case they watch my video. And then this other cute one with another person's initial. So I'm going to do my Michael's haul right now, so I can show you everything I got for the houses and also for just my house in general. This huge thing of snow. Now for the rest of this bag, I'll be faster because I want to start the house and it's late. But this cute thing, I'm gonna paint it. This is house number 1. House number 2, this is gonna be like mine and Justin's house, kind of. So then I got these trees, which I'm in love with. So yeah, they're just to go around the property. I got this tree. It's a little bit messed up. There was only like 3 or 2 left, so I just had to take it. But I am doing something to it, which you'll see in a minute. I got this Christmas tree. I guess I could have done this myself. Okay, I have another house. This is house number 3. It's cute, it looks like a little cottage. This is another one. It kind of doesn't fit the theme of the house, of all like the village stuff, but I really liked it, so I got it anyway. And Justin also really liked it. Okay, hot glue gun. I just moved. I did have a hot glue gun because I do love to do crafts, but I have to get a new one. Some glitter, all these paints. And then I got some packages, 2 packages of hot glue gun sticks and some paintbrushes. And then finally I got some cute stuff to go around with the house. They were a little pricier because like this thing I think was like, I don't know, let's see, it doesn't show. I think this was like $3. One of these houses, like the cottage one, was like $5, and then these were each like $6 each. But I feel like it's gonna add a lot to the village. So there's this little skater. There's this guy holding flowers. He looks like the guy from, never mind, I can't remember. I have a little girl holding a nutcracker, really cute. And then I have this wreath. I'm gonna put it on our house, mine and Justin's house, the big one. I have a little gnome Chomsky for Jordan. And then I have this like nutcracker character. He's a mouse, dressed as a knight or something like that. House is all painted. I'm gonna do the accents later, like the roof and whatever else here, but so far it's really cute. This is all I have for now. I definitely underestimated how long it would take to paint these houses, but round 2 will be coming tomorrow after work. We don't have a workout planned, so that's kind of good, so I could finish my crafts. I'm so excited about this. Look, Justin. You know what? I know it's silver and stuff, but it's starting to look like a sponge. You know those like metal sponges? Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. So I just got home and I'm just going to show you what I came home to. Justin's parents, because we've been at work and we don't have much time, they got us these red flowers, so there's 4 of them. And then our tree was all set up. It's a flocked tree, which I've always wanted. And it's so pretty. Today was actually my first official day starting at my job. I worked at Robert Half before, and then I was a temp at this company, which I'm on their marketing team. But yeah, so I was hired officially today from Robert Half. I'm officially working there, and I'm really excited about it. It was really cute. My manager got like a bunch of donuts for me and like also the office to share. Really nice of her. And yeah, so now I came home and it's been a happy day. I have my plants, my tree. I'm making a little cheese plate right here. Some brie and Gruyere. I don't know how to say that. Then we have these rustic bakery and this Fortnum and Mason jam. Now we're opening some wine. Celebrate a little bit with red wine, cheese board. Oh, Justin, grab that one. Can I see?
Popcorn trip.
Hey, we're in our seats now. She goes on in like 3 minutes. Cute.
What you made me